Dr. Tony Doran, clinical psychologist, here to talk to you about better managing anxiety during the pandemic. So what I'm going to be talking about today is how to better manage anxiety while you're pending a referral to either myself or another mental health clinician. So one of the first things you can do is observe the grandma rules. What I like to call behaviors that your grandma used to tell you to keep yourself healthy. So the grandma rules are: get plenty of sleep, 7 to 9 hours. Get plenty of exercise, drink half your body weight in water, and eat healthy. And then what you want to add to that, if you're trying to manage anxiety, is to do some type of relaxation technique. So one of the apps I refer my patients to is the Virtual Hope Box. And this app contains 3 great relaxation techniques: a brief breathing technique, a progressive muscle relaxation technique, and a guided meditation technique. So I encourage you to download the app and review those 3 different techniques. The app kind of walks you through each one of those. And what I'm going to do is walk you through another relaxation technique that I do with patients that they tend to love. So the technique that I do is a brief leg technique. Now the brief leg technique involves tightening your quadricep for 60 seconds and relaxing for 15 seconds and repeating that 5 times. So it takes a total of about 5 minutes to do the whole exercise. And you can tighten your quadricep if you're sitting down by gently pushing your heels into the floor, tightening your quadricep, or if you're standing up, to gently push your knees back, locking your knees, tightening your quadricep, and holding it for a minute, and then relaxing for 15 seconds. And again, as always, if you have orthopedic injuries, knee injuries, hip injuries, back injuries, you want to be careful with this type of technique and the progressive muscle relaxation technique, which also involves tightening and loosening of muscles. So if you don't have any of those problems, go ahead and you tighten your quadricep, hold it for a minute, and then relax for 15 seconds. And this is a great technique if you're driving in a car, you're waiting in line at the bank or at the 7-Eleven, in locations where you can't do yoga, you can't do progressive muscle relaxation, you can't do a guided meditation. So the brief breathing technique, you can do anywhere. The brief leg technique, you can do anywhere. So I encourage you to do the grandma rules: drink half your body weight, exercise, eat healthy, and get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Add to that some relaxation techniques. Pick 2 techniques, do it 2 to 3 times a day, and you'll be feeling better while you're waiting to get in to either myself or another mental health professional. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.